Welcome to Stories in Color. Today we are learning the number 8. This is number 8. Say it with me. 8. Once again. 8. Very good. One more time. 8. With number 8, we draw a capybara getting ready for sleep. Let's say it together, slowly. Number 8, the capybara is getting ready for sleep. Again, repeat after me. Number 8, the capybara is getting ready for sleep. Again, number 8, the capybara is getting ready for sleep. Let's say it one more time. Nice and calm. Number 8. The capybara is getting ready for sleep. Number 8. The capybara is getting ready for sleep. Watch how easy and calm it is to draw and color the capybara. You can relax, draw slowly, and repeat the sentence with me. Let's repeat again. The number is 8. The capybara is getting ready for sleep. The number is 8. The capybara is getting ready for sleep. Wonderful job! Please like the video and subscribe to Stories in Color for more numbers and calm learning time. See you in the next episode. Bye!